Yeah, that was really funny. Whoa! Oh my! Oh no, it's a flat tire. What should we do?
I think that the first thing that we should do is find a flat surface and then call someone.
Okay. Alright, looks like we found a flat surface. Let me put my hazards on. Now I'm gonna call my dad. Hey, yeah, looks like I have a flat tire. Can I have some help? No? I gotta do it myself? Okay, good thing I have the manual and know what to do. One of the first things we should do is put the car in park and put on the emergency brake. Now let's pop the hood so we let the other drivers know that I'm in distress. Good thing I have all these textbooks from school. Now I'm not gonna put it on the flat tire. I'm gonna put it on another tire. So I'm gonna put it on the opposite side. I'm gonna put some books tightly on each side of the wheel, just in case the car tries to roll away, which it won't.
Now I have to find the tools to help me fix my flat tire. Usually they're located in the car's trunk. Here they are. All the tools I need.
So the first tool we're gonna use is the lug wrench. So what you do is you put it on one of the lug nuts and you try to wrench it off using your hands like this. That's really easy. And you loosen it. Then you'd go to the next bolt or the next nut. Make sure it's tight on. Wait, hold on. That's tightly on. And if you can't push it down with your hands, what you do is that you can use your body weight by stepping on it and then pushing down. Alright, so then what you do is to continue loosening all of these, and then you're done with your first step.
Now we have to get this, which is called the scissor jack, and then we have to put it in a special place under the car. Right here, for this car, it'd be right there. And basically, you have to turn to the right to make it go higher so that the car can have less pressure and there'll be less friction on the tires. So you keep screwing till it barely touches the car. So then we use this tool, which is called a hook, and we have to put it into the eye in order to lift up the car even higher. Then we can attach it to the lug wrench, and basically we keep on turning so that the car lifts up higher. Keep going until the weight of the tire is on the scissor jack.
Once the car is lifted off of the surface, you want to make sure that the jack is secure in place on a flat surface, not bending, and that it is stable. Now that the tire is lifted, we will finish off unscrewing all of the lug nuts.
Once all the lug nuts are off, you can take off the hubcap. Now we can take off the flat tire.
Now we put the new tire on so it aligns with these screws.
Then we put the hubcap back on.
Now we have to put the lug nuts back on, and we're gonna follow a star pattern to avoid one side getting screwed on too tight that we cannot put the other side on to make it even. So I'm gonna start with this one, and to start off I'm just going to gently place them as so, just to make sure the hubcap is safely secured. And now I will go in with the lug wrench and tighten them all. This way. Now that I've finished tightening the lug nuts, I'm going to loosen the jack so that the tire makes contact with the ground. So I'm going to use the lug wrench and this hook tool once again by hooking this on. And instead of turning to the right, I'm going to turn to the left.
Now we're going to use the lug wrench to secure the lugs.
Now we have to put everything back in the case.
Scissor jack. Hook. Lug wrench.
And now I'm going to carry it back into the trunk on top of the flat tire. Put this down and close the trunk. Now we can put the hood back down. Now we can take off the books that are wedging this tire because we know that the other tire is good. And we still have the parking brake on. Next, we turn off the hazards.
Now we have to drive slowly, about under 35 miles per hour, until we get home or to the nearest tire shop.